Welcome to Raising Atheist Children.
Have you ever seen a science project that completely captivated you, drawing you in with its cleverness and clear message? What made that particular project stand out and truly impress everyone who saw it? Well, kids can dramatically improve their science projects by truly focusing on asking a clear and testable question. Then, they need to thoroughly demonstrate the scientific method from beginning to end. This deliberate approach transforms a simple display into a compelling and memorable investigation. The scientific method is truly the bedrock of all scientific discovery and understanding. It is not merely about presenting a collection of facts. Instead, it is about clearly showing how those facts were carefully gathered and analyzed through systematic observation, thoughtful planning, and diligent experimentation. Understanding this core process builds tremendous credibility for any project. Let us walk through how to make a science project exceptional. First, encourage your child to choose a question they are genuinely curious about. A question like, "Do different types of music affect plant growth?" is far more engaging and scientific than simply listing the parts of a plant. Once a question is chosen, the next step is to formulate a clear and testable hypothesis. This is a prediction about what they expect to happen. For example, if plants listen to classical music, then they will grow taller than those listening to rock music or those with no music at all. This prediction gives direction to their experiment. Designing a fair experiment is absolutely crucial for reliable results. Imagine you have 3 identical plants. Make sure they all receive the same amount of sunlight, the same amount of water, and are planted in the same type of soil. The only difference or variable should be the music they are exposed to. One plant gets classical music, another gets rock music, and a third plant gets no music. It is also important to consider repeating their trials multiple times, if possible, to ensure the results are consistent and not just a one-time occurrence. Consistency reinforces their findings. During the experiment, kids need to diligently collect and analyze their data. This means making careful measurements, recording observations, and organizing this information into charts or graphs. They should not just present the data, but also clearly explain what the numbers and observations reveal. Finally, they need to draw well-supported conclusions. Did the data support their initial hypothesis? Why or why not? It is perfectly fine if the hypothesis was not supported. Understanding why an expectation was wrong is a vital part of the scientific process itself. This shows true learning. To truly elevate a project, introduce your child to the concepts of replication and peer review in a simplified way. Explain that scientists often repeat experiments to confirm results, which is called replication. Also, sharing their findings and having others review their methods and conclusions is like a mini peer review. This practice strengthens the validity of their work. Highlighting key scientific terms like variables and controls on their display board or in their presentation also demonstrates a deeper understanding of scientific inquiry. By truly embracing the scientific method, kids gain much more than just a successful science project. They learn how to think critically and approach problems systematically, much like a real scientist. This process develops strong problem-solving abilities and cultivates the confidence to explore the world around them with a curious and informed mind. This approach makes their science projects genuinely exceptional and leaves a lasting impact on their learning journey.
If you're into this, like, subscribe, and drop a comment.